hand-painted python skin. Let me introduce Elisabetta, our artist. She starts selecting the python skin that have international certification that named CITES. Elisabetta gets inspiration from the beautiful view of Tuscany. She created the unique colors of each piece. Several steps mix the right doses of the colors, which will melt to the natural scales. The artistic feeling makes each skin different and beautiful. The final creation is the product of the art.
I'm Marco Landi, co-owner of Landi Manufacture. Since 1948, we produce raincoat in the Fashion Valley of Tuscany in Empoli. Now we are speaking about our project Regenious. It's a project we build up with a company in the district of Prato that was renowned all over the world for the production of recycled fabric since 100 years. Long tradition that keep together our district with district of Prato, producing in a few kilometers this kind of production that is unique in the world. This is our contribution to impact reduction. This is our contribution for sustainability and low consumption of energy. In our trench you can see in the label the consumption of water, the situation of CO2 consumption and pollution, and kilowatt hours that we consume for producing one piece of our goods. In collaboration with the Prato company, from this long historic district, we have found a little solution that we can have with our trench to save the world from pollution and reduce the impact of fashion industry. Our project Regenious is our contribution to sustainability, to reduce the impact of pollution that fashion industry causes to the world.